Hey my loves, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Molly. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing great. For this year Eid, I want to put together a look that was look elegant and simple because I'm not sure how many of you will be inviting people over or going out. Situation is a little bit different of this year, but I want to look very put together and glamorous on the same time but not overly done. So I came up with this soft glam glittery look and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to do not miss my next videos. Without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. I'm starting with my eye makeup. At first I'm prep my eyelid with Makeup Studio Face It in the shade Caribbean and blend it out with a synthetic concealer blending brush. You can use concealers or liquid foundations also. I'm going to be using this beautiful Juvia's Place Masquerade palette for my eye makeup today. At first, I'm using this light brown shade for transition, the outer corner as well as the crease, just to warm up everything and soften up everything. And the brush that I'm using is a blending brush with natural bristles. Now I'm using this dark brown shade and apply this color on my crease as well to give extra depth on my crease. And by circular motion, I just blend the color with the same natural blending brush. Now I just clean the blending brush and randomly blend the edges of the two eyeshadow. Now with some Face It, I just cut my crease as half cut crease, and the brush that I am using is a flat synthetic concealer brush. Now I'm going to be using this highlighter shade and I'm going to be filling the inner half portion of my lid, and the brush that I'm using is a flat eyeshadow applicator brush. Now I'm going to apply some glitter. If you don't want, you can totally skip this step. So for glitter, I'm using this pink glitter from iMagic Press Glitter palette. Though it's pressed glitter, and normally when you apply pressed glitter, you don't have use any glitter glue or two-way gel, but it's not so high quality glitter and it doesn't work really well. So that's why I'm using two-way gel from Makeup Studio, and then I just apply the glitter on top of the highlighter color as well by using a eyeshadow applicator brush. And then I'm going to use this light brown matte color as a transition color between the pink glitter and the darker brown shade in the outer corner. And for this, again use the eyeshadow applicator brush Now for eyeliner, I'm using Wet n Wild H2 Proof Liquid Eyeliner. The mascara that I'm using is from Maybelline Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. Now I'm taking this highlighter shade and applying it on my brow bone as well by using the eyeshadow applicator brush. Now I'm gonna move on to my skin. I'm gonna moisturize my skin first using Deep Pre Day and Night 24 Hours Cream that comes out from Makeup Studio. For primer, I'm going to be using the Pre-Base from Makeup Studio. It gives you a beautiful canvas to work with. Now I have to hide the black and red pigmentation on my skin. So for concealer, I'm gonna use a concealer palette from Makeup Studio. And I'm using this Fudge concealer to hide my dark problem like under eye darkness and darkness on forehead and around the mouth area. And for the red pigmentation on my cheeks, I'm gonna add that area green corrector from the same palette. The brush that I'm using is a synthetic concealer blending brush. Now for foundation, I'm using Fit Me foundation, but Fit Me is not suitable for dry skin. For that, I mix some moisturizer with the foundation cause I have really very dry skin. And I just use little amount of those mixture on my face and blend it out with a latex sponge block which comes from Makeup Studio. Now I'm using a banana concealer from Makeup Studio concealer palette by using a synthetic concealer blending brush, and I'm gonna add that on all the area that I want to, creating some brightness or highlight on the inner nose portion of the under eyes, bridge of nose, cupid bow, chin, side of the nose and middle of the forehead area by using a synthetic concealer blending brush. Now for cream contour, I'm using Makeup Studio cream foundation in the shade number 5 on hollows of my cheekbones, side of the nose, jawline, middle of cupid bow, under the lips and around the forehead following the hairline. And now I'm applying the foundation mixture on the rest of the area of my face. Now I'm blending all those stuffs by using a latex sponge from Makeup Studio. So now I have done to use all of my liquid or cream product on my face. Now I'm gonna start setting everything with powder. First I'm gonna set the under eye area and basically all that area that I highlighted with concealer. And for that I'm gonna use translucent powder extra fine in the shade number 1 from Makeup Studio. And the brush that I'm using is a natural facial powder brush. Now start to setting my cream contour, and for that I'm going to using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Duo Contour Palette. Now I'm using highlighter. The highlighter that I'm using is from Makeup Studio Lumiere Highlighting Powder in the shade Champagne Halo, and I'm applying on top of the area of my face like cheekbone, forehead near temple area, cupid bow and chin by using a tapped highlighter brush, and bridge of the nose by using a pencil brush. And I was totally forget to contour my nose, so I just contour my nose using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Duo Contour Palette with a small blending brush. Now I'm applying blusher on apple of my cheeks. For that I'm using Makeup Studio blusher in the shade B35 with a big powder brush. For lower lash line, I use a kajal pencil on my waterline. And then I just pick a dark brown eyeshadow from Juvia's Place Muscat palette by using a pencil brush and smudge the kajal and blend the kajal with the brown eyeshadow. First I did use Revolution metallic lip gloss in the shade Truth on my lips as well, but it doesn't suit with this makeup, so I changed my mind and I did apply Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Ink in the shade Elevation. At last, with a pair of fake lash, I have completed my look. So here is the finished Eid makeup tutorial. And if you really like my video, then please do like, share and comment down below. And also please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to do not miss my next video. Thank you for watching. Catch you in my next video. Till that time, stay safe, stay positive, and yes, obviously stay at home. Love you all.